Good morning, children. How are you all? Yeah, I hope you're all doing good. How is your online classes going on? Is it all good? Are you all doing your activities on time? Yeah, I know you're all good children. You'll be doing your activities on time. Okay, so in the last class, we have learned a lesson. You remember the lesson? The name of the lesson? What was the name of the lesson? Remember? Yeah, before telling the name, I like to show a girl, right? I introduced the girl. What was her name? What was her name? Shalu, right? Yeah, the name of the girl was Shalu. So what was the spelling of Shalu? Shalu. S-H-A-L-U. And Shalu was in search of something, right? What was she searching of? Yeah, she was searching of environment. What is the spelling of environment? In the last class, we have discussed the spelling of environment. Do you all remember? E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T, environment. So now you remember the lesson, the name of the lesson. What was the name of the lesson? Shalu and the environment. Very good. Shalu and the environment. Okay, the name of the lesson was Shalu and the environment. Now all of you take out your English textbook. Did you all take it out? Take out your English textbook. Turn to page number 5. Turn to page number 5. So in the last class I have already read some lines, right, from the lesson. So let's read once again. So in the last class what did Miss said? When I read, you have to point the finger towards the line where I am reading. So you have to follow it. So let's start reading. I hope you must have taken your textbook. Shall we start? Okay. Shalu's teacher tells the class that the environment is getting dirtier day by day. Shalu's teacher, so it was her teacher in the class, told that the environment is getting dirtier day by day. So in the class I already explained the meaning of dirtier. What is the meaning of dirtier? Not being clean. It is also said to be unclean, right? We all need to keep it clean. So what did the class teacher said to the class? We should keep the environment clean. At night, Shalu goes off to sleep thinking about how to keep the environment clean. So, see, we also used to think at bed the whole day what we did. Yes or no? So, we used to think what our parents did to us, what we did, what our brother or sister did to us. Yes or no? So, likewise, Shalu also started thinking about the class teacher said in the class. What was the class teacher said in the class? Yeah, we must keep the environment clean. So when Shalu gets up in the morning, she looks under her bed. So that also I explained in the last class. So it was in the morning she got up from the bed. And what did she do? She just looked under the bed. What was she searching of? Yes, she was in search of environment. So what she could find there? The next line. It is dusty under there. It is dusty under there. Okay, now you look around you. Is it clean or dusty? What's the meaning of dusty? Not being clean and becoming lot of dust. Yes or no? So when she looked under the bed, she found a lot of dust. But where is the environment? But she couldn't find the environment there. Where is the environment? See, now turn the page. Number 6, the next page. Okay, now what she did? Shalu goes to the window and opens it. What she did? See, in your room also you have window, right? And the same way, in Shalu's room also, window is there. She just went to the window and just opened it. But see the next line. She smells something in the air like smoke. She smells something in the air like smoke. So what happened? See, we also smell something, right? For example, see, if our mother cook a good, sweet, delicious biryani in the kitchen, what comes out? A super smell comes out, right? Yeah, so that is what? Smelling. So when she when near the window, she smells something in the air. See, what was that? Let's check. Maybe it is from the garbage her neighbors are burning. So she smells the smoke. So that was not a good smell like biryani, not the good one. So she smelled the bad smell like that came from a garbage burning. That is a smoke smell. So have you seen smoke? See, look at this smoke. These are garbages, right? What are garbages? Garbages are waste things, right? The unwanted things. What do our mother do at home? The unwanted things. We used to burn it, right? So these are the garbage. What is the spelling of garbage? G-A-R-B-A-G-E. Garbage. So when we burn the garbage, fire comes out. Also, what comes out? Smoke. See? Smoke. What is the spelling of smoke? S-M-O-K-E. Smoke. Have you all seen? Okay, very good. Okay, it didn't smell good. See, it didn't smell good. But if she is going to find the environment, should better hurry up. See, now actually she is in a search of environment. If she is looking at the window and wasting time, what? She can't find the environment. She's in hurry. She has to hurry up. See the line again? But if she is going to find the environment, she would better hurry up. Okay, next line. Shalu washes her hands and face and combs her hair. So those are the primary things that we do ourselves also, right? So when you get up in the morning, what do you do at first? You just go around? No, right? We just wash our face, brush our teeth, comb our hair, and yeah, we will clean ourselves. The same way Shalu too did. Shalu washes her hands and face and combs her hair. And she brushes her teeth and watches the water rush from the tap and go down the drain. See, she brushes her, see, after combing her hair, what she did? She just brushed her teeth. Where do we brush our teeth? Near the wash basin, right? We also do the same thing, yes or no? Yeah, very good. So Shalu also did the same thing. Shalu brushed her teeth near the wash basin and the water was just flowing from the tap and it is going into the drain. What is it? Drain? D-R-A-I-N. Drain. That's a hole that is there to pass the water smoothly. So where the waste water just goes through the drain. Okay, there. And she was thinking, where does it all come from? So the water is flowing from the tap, right? So she was thinking, where does the water come from? She doesn't know where from the water is coming. Okay, now after breakfast, she goes outside to look for the environment. We know from the beginning itself, she was in search of environment, right? Okay, now see, even from the morning she is hurrying up. And after having the breakfast, after doing the primary things, she heard the breakfast. And after breakfast, she wanted to go out and search the environment. We also do the have breakfast, right? After doing our primary things, brushing and all, we also have breakfast. And we just do our things. The same way, Shalu also, after having breakfast, what she did? See the line? She goes outside to look for the environment. So on the way, she meets Tittu, the squirrel. See the squirrel? Can we? So I will show you the picture of squirrel. And what is the name of the squirrel? Squirrel. What is the name of the squirrel? What is the name of the squirrel? See, have you all seen the squirrel? Tittu. His name was Tittu. See, so the spelling of squirrel: SQUIRREL. And what was his name? Tittu, right? TITOO. Tittu. Okay, so Shalu is on the way to find the environment, and on the way she found a squirrel. His name was Tittu. Okay, so she met a squirrel named Tittu, right? So there she meets Tittu, a squirrel. Shalu asks, where do you usually look for the environment? So as we already saw, Shalu is in search of environment, right? So Shalu wanted to know where the environment is. So Shalu asked the squirrel, see, where do you usually look for environment? Who asked like that? Yeah, very good. Shalu. Shalu asked to whom? Tittu, the squirrel. Or she asked, where do you usually look for the environment? So let's see, what did Tittu say? Tittu says, oh, I don't. So Tittu said, oh, I don't usually look for the environment. Shalu asked again. See, Shalu is asking again. Shalu asked Tittu again, well, then how do you ever find it? So how do you ever find it? If you don't find it, how do you keep it clean? So the Shalu asked squirrel, how do you ever find it? So if you find it, you tell me how can we keep it clean? So the thing is in mind that in the class teacher said in the class, we should keep the environment clean, right? So she wanted to keep it clean, but she doesn't know where the environment is. So she is asking to squirrel, without finding the environment, how can we keep it clean? Is that possible? See, Tittu says, I don't look for it because I don't need to. So squirrel said, no, I don't look for it because I don't want, I don't need to. The environment seems to be wherever we go. So the Tittu said the point now. Tittu the squirrel said, the environment seems to be wherever we go. She asked, where is it now? Okay, now the Tittu said, the environment seems to be wherever we go. So Shalu asked again, where is it now? I can't see it. Okay, so let's find whether Shalu found out the environment or not. That in the next class. So there is a small exercise for you. So in the last class you have read this part, right? So so today the small exercise, that is, you have to read this till here 4 times. Read carefully and underline the new words and learn the spelling of the new words. Okay? So that is the small activity that you have to read. And thank you, children.